Welcome to another video of Halal Pips. Today we will talk about Forex quotes. The price of different currencies at any given time is reflected in Forex quotes. Learning to read currency pairs is essential because price movements or quotes determine a trader's profit or loss. So, what are Forex quotes? A Forex quote is a representation of the exchange rate between two currencies. These quotes always involve currency pairings because you are buying one currency and selling another. For example, we quote the euro's relationship or exchange rate to the US dollar as Euro USD. The base currency comes first on the Forex quote, followed by the quote or variable currency. Currency pairings indicate how many units of the quote currency are required to purchase 1 unit of the base currency. It also indicates how much sellers are willing to sell for and how much buyers are willing to pay. For example, if the Euro USD rate is 1.1250, it costs $1.1250 in the quote currency to buy 1 euro in the base currency. Remember, the base currency's value is always 1. Now, if the quote number goes up, it indicates that the base currency has strengthened while the quote currency has weakened. On the other hand, if the quote goes down, it suggests that the base currency has fallen and the quote currency has risen. Now, let's understand the bid and ask quotes. Traders can purchase currency at the ask price while they can sell currency at the bid price. The difference between the bid and the ask is called the spread. In the previous video, we discussed spread and other Forex terms. Please make sure you watch that video and subscribe our channel. Now, using the Euro-USD exchange rate as an example, the first rate, 1.1051, represents the price at which the currency pair can be sold. The second rate, 1.1053, represents the cost of purchasing the currency pair. The number of decimal places used in currency quotes varies by currency pair. Most currencies that are roughly equal to the euro or the dollar are stated to 4 or 5 decimal places. Although currencies smaller than the dollar, such as the yen, may only be quoted to 2 decimal places. Smaller currencies, such as the Indonesian rupiah, may be quoted with no decimal places. That's all for today. Stay tuned.
Thank you for watching with halalpips.com. Share your thoughts and ideas with us in the comment section.